Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, my dad is going to be showing 3 features about the Osmo Pocket. Dad, take it away.
All right, thank you. Love you. All right. Thank you, Caden, for that awesome intro. What's going on, guys? My name is Jin. I am a full-time photographer. I do tech reviews, fitness videos, videography, photography, drone. Today, I want to talk about this bad boy right here. This is the Osmo Pocket, and I wanted to share 2 of my favorite features with this thing. I've been using it ever since it came out, and 2 of my favorite features that I think this camera can provide to make your videography stand out. And I think that's what's important, right? As creators, we want to have the best type of tools to give us the best videos possible. So one of the features I'm talking about, it's object tracking, or they call it active track. Start the Mimo app, and once we use the Mimo app, we're now able to drag a small box to the object that we want to track, and from that point, we're able to do different scenes with it, right? I think it's a very powerful feature because we can now do things like hyperlapse, where traditionally it would be much longer to do and you would need a tripod and a camera. I think having this is gonna give you the ability to make your videography stand out. One cool way I've found to use it is if you started a hyperlapse from the ground. So let's just say if we're talking about some kind of monument, some kind of building, you start it from the ground and then you use the drone to pick up where you were able to leave off with the Osmo Pocket. And then by doing so, and adding like a really cool zoom in transition, by doing so, it would make it look seamless that you're tracking this object from the ground and it swirls around with a drone. I think that would be really, really neat. The other thing that I really love is motion time lapses. It's a unique feature because it allows you to now do time lapses, which people have been able to do anyways, but there's movement. You have it moving from one scene to another, whether it be from the gimbal straight to have it pointing up or vice versa. It just makes your videography stand out. You're able to convey a bigger scene and it keeps it nice and smooth. Other than that, I do have one last tip, which is that this Osmo Pocket, it is so tiny. We can do a lot of new things with it now. Things that we were not able to do, even let's say with a smartphone, because this Pocket is smaller than a smartphone. So one of the things I'm talking about, and you'll see in these videos, is I'm able to start a scene, let's just say through an object, or let's just say through in between like a fence or a railing, and then I'm able to pull back, and nice and smooth because it's a gimbal, so it's a smooth pullback to reveal a larger scene, or again, to reveal something that's unique. Anyway, I hope you found this information to be of some kind of benefit. If you enjoyed it in any shape or form, please leave a like or comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Peace.